Picking up in 6.5, whatever lesson this is, right? We are picking up in 6.5 and finishing our logs. Yesterday on the front side, we talked about our three properties: product property, quotient property, and power property. And we used those to, was the first group expand, I think? Yeah. We took one log, broke it into multiple pieces, right? Then we did the other way. We took multiple logs and condensed them down to one. Now we're going to talk about another, I would call it another property, change of base formula. And this is the workaround because our calculator has two log options: log base 10 or natural log. Okay, change of base will allow us to do any log on our calculator technically. So again, for positive numbers m, b, and a, where b cannot equal 1 and a cannot equal 1, we have this rule: the log base b of m is equal to the log base a of m divided by the log base a of b. Basically what we're saying there is log base b of m is equal to log base m divided by log base b. You pick the base you want to make those. In other words, the calculator advantage is we pick that we want to make them either base 10 or base e. So for example, log base 2 of 3. Do I have a log base 2 button on my calculator? I don't. However, I can change this log base 2 of 3 to be log of 3 divided by log of 2. Now, in that case, there's no base written, so that means I'm just using log base 10. Or you can do natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2, and that would be natural logs, remember, are base e. Either way, those are calculator buttons, okay? So you're taking the log of the inside divided by the log of the base, okay? So, first row of examples. Use the, and it's telling us right there, change of base formula to evaluate each logarithm. Round to the nearest thousandth. We talk about evaluate. I just want to know the answer. That's all I want to know. Okay? So, log base 5 of 36. How can I rewrite that? How can I rewrite that, Paul?
Log of 36 divided by log of 5.
Okay. So this is log of 36 divided by log of 5. Paul didn't give me a base, so I'm assuming base 10. Or if we wanted to, what's the other option? We could also say natural log of 36 divided by natural log of 5. Everyone grab your calculator and give me an answer. It doesn't matter which one you do. But this is another scenario where I strongly, I think you guys are pretty confident with using the log buttons on your calculator now, but I encourage you to practice now while it doesn't matter if you get the answer wrong. I walked away from my answer key, so I honestly don't remember. Are we getting our right answer?
So it's 2.227.
2.227? And that's the rounded answer. Did we all get that on the calculator? Okay. So if I do log of 36, the big key would be, you guys realize you have to close that parenthesis, yes? So close that parenthesis, divided by log of 5. Honestly, the last parenthesis doesn't matter if you close it or not.
You forgot your divisions.
Oh, okay. Let's put a division sign in there then. Try that again. There we go. Okay, your answer should look like that. 2.226565505. Thousandth is 3 decimals. And so thus the 2.227. Easy enough?
Yeah.
Okay, do the next one then. Log base 2 of 7. Tell me what you're going to punch into your calculator.
Log of 7 divided by log of 5.
Okay. log of 7 divided by log of 2. Or, I don't know if anyone's trying it out of curiosity, you can do natural log of 7 divided by natural log of 2. Heck, you could do log base 5 of 7 divided by log base 5 of 2, but that's kind of pointless because I don't have a base 5 button on my calculator. What'd you get? Okay. If you didn't get that, your calculator screen should be matching mine. So 2.807. Okay, one more in this section. Log base 5 of 3 means I'm doing what?
No.
Log base 10 of 3 divided by log base 10 of 5. Or natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 5. Okay? So, I don't remember if this is a pre-calc thing or an algebra 2 thing, but I know in past years sometimes I usually say, show your work here, or show your step. So basically I'm saying, what are you punching into the calculator? Okay, what'd you guys get on this one?
683.
Okay. 0.683. Does your answer match? We got the calculators working then, yes? Okay. And I know a few of you have the fancy buttons that can change a log base on your calculators. If you try it, you're going to get the same answer. Okay? So, but for that reason, when it comes to test time and it says you must, show your work, change a base formula, either this or this is your work. Okay? Okay. Easy one. All I'm going to say is you have to remember how to do it. Okay? Now, bottom examples. We're going to look at a way to use the change of base formula. Okay? And so use the change of base formula to solve each equation for x. Give an exact solution as a logarithm and an approximate solution rounded to the nearest thousandth. Okay, our job is to solve for x. 2 to the x equals 7 is my first example. Thoughts on where to start? Did I hear it back there? We need a left, right, middle, don't we? And here's your hint. It's talking about logs here in the directions, isn't it? We have exponents right here. So we need to get it out of exponent form and put it into log form. To go from exponent form to log form, log, base what?
2.
Base 2, so the base of 2 on the exponent becomes the base of 2 of the log. Log base 2 of 7 equals x. So the 2 is your left, the 7 is my right, and it equals the x from the middle. Or keep the 2 as base and swap the x and 7, yes? Now, how do I mathematically do this? How do I find log base 2 of 7? Okay, is this what we just did a few moments ago? Okay, so on the first thing, when it says to give an exact solution, my exact solution is going to be writing that I'm doing log of 7 divided by log of 2. That's my exact solution. Okay, it's exact because it's not rounded. Okay, it is before I punch it into the calculator. Okay. Then it asks us to give approximate solution rounded to nearest thousandth. This becomes calculator, yes. What is log of 7 divided by log of 2? Did we just do this one? Okay. Approximately 2.807. Because either A, you stole the answer from above, or B, you typed it back into your calculator again. That is my approximate answer. It's an approximate answer because I have rounded it. Okay. Easy enough. Let's try the next one. 3 to the x equals 15. Good practice here. What do I do? How do I rewrite this? Okay, log base 3 of 15 equals x. 3 is your left, it stays. Then we grab the 15 from the right, equals the x in the middle. How do I rewrite this as an exact solution? Log base 3 of 15 can be rewritten as? Okay, log of 15 divided by log of 3. Could you rewrite it with natural logs also? You can. Okay, I'm picking one and going with it. So this is my exact solution. Calculator? Okay. And everyone's got the calculator cooperating, yes? Because I know you guys haven't seen your quizzes yet, but I will definitely say there are times on the quiz where I could tell you didn't get the full credit just because you didn't type it into the calculator right. Okay? So definitely important that we know how to type. Not that this one's difficult to type in the calculator, but there are mistakes can be made. Okay, last one. 4 to the x equals 55. What do we know? Okay. Log base 4 of 55 is equaling x. I keep the base as 4, it becomes my log base. Switch the x in 55. For my exact answer, I'm going to rewrite this as log of 55 divided by log of 4. For my approximate answer, okay, rounded to 2 decimal places, is 2.891. Okay. I just looked at my notes. One thing I didn't talk about, and we can just real briefly, how can I check this answer? Or any of these answers? Plug it back in, yes? Now, so if I take 4 to the 2.891, what should it about equal? 55. Is it going to be exact? No, it's not going to be exact because we rounded it, yes? But if you take that, how close do we get?
55.02.
Okay. So pretty close, yes. And in all honesty, if you take and grab that exact answer, which I don't know if you guys know how to do that. So if I have log of 55 divided by log of 4, okay, that 2.891, that's my previous answer on the calculator, yes? I don't know if you guys know how to grab and use your previous answer. But what I can do is I can do 4 to the, that was my most recent answer, yes? I use second, and then above the negative sign it says ants. That's grabbing your most recent answer that the calculator did. And it's going to give me exactly 55 because now I'm not using the rounded version. So there's always a way on scientific calculators to grab and use the most recent answer. You just have to know what buttons to push to get there. So, okay. So yeah, just, you can check them. There's your proof it works. And on that note, you have some Sabbath work to do, yes? Okay, lesson 6.5. Get it done. There's a big chunk of you that need to get 6.4 finished. Those scores went in the grade book last night.